Are flippers back? Remember the days when people made a huge chunk of change by flipping houses? Prices were going up so fast, someone could buy a home, spend a few months fixing it up, and resell it for a handsome profit. Then almost overnight, everything changed. Property values fell. Speculators found themselves saddled with overpriced homes, and flipping became a thing of the past. Or did it? Ironically, swelling foreclosures are now triggering a so-called second wave of flippers. Those with cash in hand are showing up at foreclosure auctions and snatching up bargains at rock bottom prices, especially in areas hardest hit by the housing slump. The latest generation of flippers typically target three categories of buyers: those purchasing their first home, those looking for a vacation home, or people looking for rental income. While some have criticized flippers as opportunists, others see it differently. Industry experts note that flippers play an important role in helping to clear out the backlog of foreclosed homes nationally, as well as help stabilize neighborhoods threatened by an ever-growing number of abandoned properties. But flipping isn't without risk. Many foreclosed properties have fallen into disrepair. In some cases, appliances, countertops, and even plumbing and wiring have been stripped. Flippers may also discover delinquent homeowners association dues or tax liens on the property. Plus, they face the challenge of finding a buyer in a very competitive market. Nonetheless, flipping appears to be making a cautious comeback, but for reasons vastly different from those of not that long ago.